In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Notion workspace into Coda. If you're moving projects, docs, or databases from Notion and want them organized inside Coda, this walkthrough will take you from sign-in to review with a few tips to make the transition smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io, sign up. Sign in to your Coda account. If you're already logged in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, follow the prompts to authenticate, then you're ready to go. Next, create a place for your content by clicking New Page. This gives you a fresh canvas that will act as the destination for your import. Inside that new page, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot icon. In the menu that appears, choose Import. This opens Coda's import dialog. From the list of sources, select Notion. You'll be asked to provide your Notion export. Make sure you have your Notion zip file saved on your computer. It should be the standard export zip from Notion, kept as a single compressed file. No need to unzip it. Click to upload your Notion zip file, then press Import. Keep your browser tab open while Coda uploads and processes the file. Depending on the size of your workspace and the number of pages, this can take a little time. You'll see progress as Coda converts pages, databases, and attachments into Coda pages and tables. When the import finishes, it's time to review. In the left sidebar, you'll find your imported pages arranged under the page you created. Open a few pages to confirm the content, images, and formatting look right. For tables, check that columns, rows, and data types came across as expected. Try opening filters or views to make sure they behave the way you intend. If you see placeholder text or formatting that needs a tweak, small adjustments like renaming pages, refining column types, or reorganizing sections can help your imported workspace feel at home in Coda. If something looks off, remember that different platforms handle rich text and relations differently. A quick pass to adjust headings, date formats, and checkboxes usually resolves most differences. Also verify that internal links point to the right pages after the move. That's it. You went to Coda, signed in, created a new page, used the three-dot menu to import, selected Notion, uploaded your zip, started the import, waited for it to complete, and reviewed your pages and tables. With your content now in Coda, you're ready to build, automate, and collaborate in one place.